How to generate image with Google Gemini AI. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can generate image with the help of Google Gemini AI. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to gemini.google.com and log in into your Google account. Once you are here, now you are taken in this interface where you can ask Gemini your prompt. So to generate an image, first of all, you need to prepare a prompt explaining what type of image that you want. And in the chat piece, here it is a chat box, and here type in generate an image. Then enter your prompt or the type of image that you want. So for example, I will just type in generate an image of a green forest with a clear sky with flying birds. So this is my prompt, but according to your preferences or according to the image that you want, you have to provide a clear prompt to Google Gemini. Once you are done, you have to click on submit. Then you have to wait for a while until the Gemini generates an image according to your prompt. Scroll down a bit, so here are the images that is provided by the Google Gemini according to my prompt. If this is not the image that you want, you can again refine your prompt, adjust your prompt the way you want, and that will help you generate more images. If you want to view or explore other more images, simply click or type in yes, and it will provide you more images. But if you want to adjust this image, then you have to adjust your prompt and send it to Gemini. After that, the Gemini will provide you the image according to your entered prompt. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.